Stammrad nicht gut, also Druckbestimmte Geschwindigkeit extrem. Das ist auch Unterschall. Kann man tun, die kämpfen, ich hätte gedacht, das ist so heute.
Can we get synchro flat spin or some? Surely you can do that together.
Ja, was? Ja, warte mal, wir fliegen eine Runde und dann gehen wir es jetzt schon. Ja. Ja, klappt nicht so ganz. Not so easy.
It's all right. It's fun to watch. So what are these, Jürgen? Su-27s? Su-30?
Yeah.
Something in that area?
Yeah.
And how did you mould them? Were these over? These were a bit bigger than a Revel or an Airfix kit, aren't they?
No, it was a plastic model.
What is it? Oh.
From Trumpeter.
Oh, okay. I don't know the company.
32.
1/32 scale.
And it's a wingspan from 46 millimeters.
Right.
Centimeters.
Yeah, 46 centimeters.
And
Yeah.
a length of 70 centimeters. It flies with 1S.
Just the 1S LiPo.
1S and two small brushless motors with 25,000 kV.
Right, 25,000 kV.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
And vector steering.
Thrust vectored, obviously.
And rudder is motor mix. Different.
Oh, I see. Differential.
Yeah.
Between the props.
And the weight is with battery 47 grams.
Okay, very light again.
Yes, and it flies awesome.
And the Depron is again super thin, about a millimeter thick.
1 millimeter exactly.
Yeah.
And then vacuum formed over the mold.
Great, gotcha. Fantastic. And the servos, are they?
From UMX, the
again,
linear servos.
From very many crashed UMX models.
The whole 3D plane flies with two servos.
Just two servos?
Yeah.
Just those two?
Tail-arounds and vectors are the same.
Yeah, I got you. Fantastic. All right. Well, again, seeing such innovative stuff here at Hobby-Model-Spiel in Leipzig. And from Jürgen. Thanks for sharing, Jürgen.
You're welcome.
Great demo.
Thank you.
Cheers.